Hi, my name is Jessica Bleiler, and this is my screencast on my Periscope and the engineering design process. Ask and imagine. So the question was, how can I see above the crowd without standing on top of anything? And a possible solution would be a Periscope. So to begin the planning process, I made a quick little sketch to figure out how I was going to do it because I had circle mirrors, not rectangular mirrors. That was one little hiccup I had. And then I also used the directions from the resource that was provided to us from Nature Watch. So create. You can see that over here I used light white cardboard and some heavy duty duct tape. I thought that worked the best because my mirrors were pretty heavy that I was able to find. To test it, I did it under the wall, and then I looked to see if I could see my TV. So right here you can see that this is actually the TV. The image was actually really clear. I was surprised. I've never made one of these or seen one of these before, so I was really surprised at how clear the image was. You can see that I'm trying to look over the siding here, and that's my little top looking into the TV. To improve it, I think it would be really helpful if I used stronger cardboard the next time. I mean, mine held up nicely, but it definitely could have been stronger. I think if you made the diameter larger, obviously you're going to be able to see more of it. I had to move mine around to see different parts of the TV, and then my mirrors were pretty heavy. And then that was my resource.